This is the STA-BIL 360-degree marine treatment here. This treats up to 80 gallons. This is the 8-ounce bottle here. Basically, I use this on these 2 wave runners. I just pretty much use a half a bottle each time, a quarter and a quarter. I'm sure I could probably use a lot less, but I like just putting a little bit extra in there just to be safe. I really like this stuff because over the winter months, it keeps the moisture out and things like that. So you can have peace of mind when you use this. I also use this for snow blowers and things like that, not the marine one, but STA-BIL is a really great brand. I use it for diesel in our RV, and I use it in all the small engines, and it usually keeps the carburetors clean and things like that. So very happy with it. STA-BIL is a really great brand. I also use these wave runners. I also use the fogging spray by STA-BIL as well, which is really great. But the 360 Marine, been using it year after year, always pleased with it. So if you're looking to winterize some small engines, you absolutely want to check out the STA-BIL brand. This one here is really cool. If you do want to measure it out, this side gives you the exact portions you can measure it out to. And then this just opens up here normal, so you could get it out either way. But very pleased with this stuff. If you're, like I said, if you're winterizing some small engines, you absolutely want to check out the STA-BIL. And for the marine stuff, the 360 Marine. This is the 8-ounce bottle here. It does come in bigger bottles, but like I said, a little treats a lot. Like I said, this bottle is 80 gallons, so this goes a long way.